Hey everyone, I'm just editing some underwater footage from my GoPro HERO6 here, and I noticed that the colour was really quite green and quite blue, and I know a lot of people probably have the same problem, but loads of videos on YouTube are really complicated, so I'm going to show you this really easy way of doing it. Now first of all, this is just what you want your sort of footage to look like. This is a clip with the red filter, and this is it without the red filter. So you can see how much difference that makes, how much of the blue it gets rid of, and just add some more like skin colours in the fingers and stuff right there. So that's what we're trying to achieve. So if I go to this clip here at the back, you can see how green this footage is. This is what it looks like just raw straight out the camera. I think I've got ProTune on in this image with GoPro colour, and it doesn't look too bad, but we want it to look something like this. And as you can see, the colour's way better in the rocks there, the fish. The sand's a bit lighter, it should be like a nice sort of white sand. And the blues are much richer and the rocks are much better. So we want to achieve that. Okay, so that's the kind of colour that we're going for. Now you just want to highlight the clip and pick a spot where you can actually see the colour that's going to change here. And hopefully in this rock we're going to bring out the red in it. Okay, now this is a new feature that's just been added to Final Cut. If you go up here to this triangle, this will take you to the colour board. Now, I don't bother touching the exposure because it's actually exposed pretty well. So what I've been doing is just raising some of the saturation, not too much, you don't want to go too crazy with the saturation. And then you want to go into the colour board here, and you're looking at the highlights, and you want to take this highlight circle, which is the white one over here, and just raise it into the reds. Now you don't want to go too far red because that's way too much, but just about there. It can vary a lot in this, just from some simple little movements, but there looks pretty good. So let's play that again with the colour added, and you can see all that colour in the rock there, way better. And look at the colour on this side compared to without. If I just pause it there and remove the colour board, you can see how much difference that makes. It's insane. So that's it. It's just a really simple, effective way to add a bit of red into your GoPro footage, and I hope that helps. I know this won't help a lot of like advanced people with it, but this is basically just a very simple way of doing it, and I know this won't work for all clips, but give it a go, try it out, and maybe you can experiment with even more colours and get even better footage by playing around with some of these other ones. But for now, I think that's all you really need, is just to go for that simple saturation and the red, and that should really help you guys out. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe for future videos, leave a like down below, and let me know how you actually get on in the comments below, if this actually helps with your video or not, and maybe if you need some more help I'll try and make a more detailed explanation. But that's it guys, good luck, bye.